Hi, and thank you for allowing us to send you this video. I'm going to be showing you a few tips on how by improving, or in this case, having a website where you can outrun your competition, get more exposure, and of course, get more clients. And if by the end of the video you like what you hear and you think we can help you out, feel free to reach out. So let's start here. I was trying to find your website, and when I think I found it, nothing is coming up, so this is a little bit concerning because you can be missing a lot of people coming into your website and, of course, potential clients. Now, if we do a search for plumbing in Alton, New Jersey, for example, um, we can see here that this is the first section. This is new for a different type of business. You pay to be here, of course. Then you have your traditional Google Ads. This is where you pay every time that somebody clicks on it. And depending on the keyword that is being searched, price can vary. Next, we have the map section. And this is something you definitely want to be showing up in this top three because 67% of the people that do a Google search, they don't pass this top three and this top three over here from the organic results. So you could be missing a lot of people, a lot of potential customers that are searching for your services. And again, this um, depending on your goals, you can be targeting the whole state of New Jersey or just specific areas. But for the purpose of the video, because I believe you guys from Manalapan, I'm going to be showing you this really quick. Of course, on the organic results, we have a directory Yelp, it's a big directory. Then we have the best business bureau. You have your home advisor, and we have this company. They seem to be very, very big. Um, if you want to compete with them, at least my suggestion would be to have more content than they do have here. They don't have that much, but it has to be relevant content. It has to be original, and it has to include the keywords that you're going to be found for, and not just on the images, but on the wording. You can see here they don't have that much on the homepage. So that's very important because the homepage will be your main target page that people will actually get in. So uh, they don't have that much content, but while they're ranking on that first page, if we look on the back end of their website, they're being found for over 96,000 keywords because they have more pages. So you can see here in locations, uh, definitely have, there's not too much here, but let's see here. Then can you see on plumbing and drains, they have a lot of pages, and this is what is helping them ranking over there. Same thing over here, more services, and they have more pages around here. So that is helping a lot. So they're being found for 96,000 keywords, is bringing them uh, over 279 visits a month to their website, which is a lot. And they have over 800 backlinks. Now, what are backlinks? Backlinks are other sites that are mentioning your website that will help you in a marketing campaign in this case, and will help your website to start uh, increasing the rating and of course being found on Google. But not all backlinks are created equal, so you can have hundreds and hundreds of backlinks. And in this case, my mistake. I think I said 823. Say 823,000. They have thousands of backlinks, but if they're not powerful, if they're not relevant, and most important, if they're not targeting the keywords they're going to be found for, this will be completely useless. But in this case, they have a lot of backlinks, and it seems that they're pretty powerful. So that's why they're ranking there. And if we for example, let me just close it really quick. Um, let's take a look at the keywords that they're being found for, and we'll see plumbers near me. There's a lot of volume going there, over 323,000, and they're ranking position number two for that. So if you're in this case, they're staying in New Jersey, that's helping them a lot to be found for. And you can target different areas, different keywords, depending on the services. But just for you, have a better understanding on this. This is something really important to understand. if you add this type of keywords to your content, or on the backlinks that will help your website to start ranking, this is something important to understand. It will definitely help you, but in this case, it will take a little bit more time because the difficulty to find a keyword is pretty high. Um, so going back over here, I think you're missing a lot of chances to get more customers. But if you have a website, make sure it has the proper content, the proper information. It has to be original, and it will definitely help you to increase your business and outrank your competition. If you have any questions, again, please let us know because I don't want to take too much of the time. And I hope you found this video helpful. And I really hope to hear from you soon. Thank you.